Identify the product in the following reaction. This reactant is an epoxide. In this, one alkyl group is secondary and another alkyl group is primary. It reacts with Grignard's reagent in the presence of acid. So the reaction is acid catalyzed. Acid catalyzed ring opening of epoxide follows SN2 mechanism. Means the nucleophile attacks from less sterically hindered side. What is the nucleophile here? We have C6H5 mgBr. So how will it dissociate? C6H5 minus and mgBr plus. So C6H5 minus is the nucleophile here. It will attack the epoxide from less sterically hindered side. So what will I get here? O CH2 CH C2H5. It is treated with Grignard's reagent. If the nucleophile attacks from less sterically hindered side, what is the product obtained? This bond will be cleaved. C6H5 attacks from this side. So C6H5, CH2, CH2OH, C2H5. So what will I get? The nucleophile, this is the nucleophile. It attacks from this side. So what will I get? C6H5, CH2, CHOH, C2H5. That is the final product obtained because the reaction is